Hey there! Welcome to this quick and easy guide, getting started with ChatGPT. Today we're going to go through the steps to start chatting with this amazing AI. No fuss, just facts, and at the end I'm going to reveal something that will blow your mind. Open your web browser, type in chat.openai.com, hit enter, and voila! Now here, you can log in or click sign up if you don't have an account yet. To create your account, type your email address and click continue. Now type your password and click continue. Check your email and click the verification link. Type your name, last name, birthday, and click continue. Now, verify your phone number by typing in the 6 numbers you will receive in your phone. And that's it. You are ready to start chatting with ChatGPT. Let's try and say hello. Go here and type something like, "Hello ChatGPT." Think of it as the virtual handshake that starts your conversation. As you officially started to chat with ChatGPT, you are ready to start asking more complicated questions, like, "Show me how to use ChatGPT," or "Teach me to code in Python," or "Write an email to my boss asking for a raise." If you ever find yourself in a tight spot, remember to ask ChatGPT for help. It's like having a digital friend who knows a bit of everything. And finally, the secret I promised you at the beginning. Go to your browser and type platform.openai.com/playground. It's like ChatGPT but with more customization options and without all the limitations and regulations of ChatGPT. Try and thank me later. And that's it. The ChatGPT basics in under 5 minutes. If you like these quick and sharp tutorials, please help me create more by clicking the subscribe button. And let me know in the comments below what tutorial you would like to see next. Thank you and see you next time.